Oh great, that'll be about right. Forget me bloody mobile phone holder. G'day guys, well yeah, I was meant to do that video on the way home from work, but yeah, forgot my mobile phone holder, so anyway, had to leave it until I got home now. Okay, now the issue with my car, now as you've heard, there's that whirring sound. Now I've got no idea where it's coming from, why it's happening. Now I know I can take the car to a mechanic, but it's just going to cost me money, and to be honest, it's money I don't have at the moment. If I can fix it myself, then I will. So this is why I'm doing the video. If anybody knows what that sound is, where it's coming from, how I can fix it, yeah, it'd be greatly appreciated if you can help me out with that issue. The other thing is, some of you, especially the ones on my Facebook page, and of course here on YouTube, would know I've been going through a bit of an issue with work with a couple of guys. Yeah, it basically push came to shove. Someone pissed me off to the point that I snapped and went off my nut. Yeah, I actually reported it as well. I just had enough. I was basically on the brink of walking out, and I actually told them that when I went in and explained what was happening, and you know, just told them I just wasn't happy there, you know, especially the way I was being picked on. And yeah, so they jumped on it pretty quick and spoke to these guys about it. The guy in the service shop where I work, he's alright. It's a little bit hard to work out sometimes. The other guy I'm dealing with in the actual service workshop, same old, you know. But he knows now that he starts giving me shit, I'll just throw it back at him. I don't really care. Yeah, I'm basically at the point now where I am still looking for work, but with everything else, you know, I've just kind of getting tired of looking and all that stuff, so I've just sort of taken a break for a bit. That's why half the time I'm not even on YouTube, you know, just hard to keep up with videos and stuff like that, and then especially trying to get my own personal stuff going, sorting out properly and all that stuff. So yeah, it's basically when I can, if I can, sort of at the moment with YouTube and that, but trying to catch up and all that type of stuff. Anyway guys, yeah, I'm not going to drag on too much bullshit with this. Yeah, as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.